The news has come out today that banks and other service providers are increasingly using credit reports to make decisions, and all court-imposed legal financial obligations will now reflect on credit registries of individuals and companies, which was announced on Tuesday. The AECB, that's the Al Etihad Credit Bureau, their credit reports are growing in popularity as banks, financial institutions, telecommunications service providers and government agencies, as well as a growing number of businesses, rely on them to make informed credit decisions. But what does this mean for you? What does it mean for you, for your financial plans for this year, whether you're buying a home or a car? To get more details is Amit Nainai. He is a banking, fintech and home loan specialist with Lion Mortgage Consultants, and he joins us. Thank you for your time on TSB.
Hi, Kitch. How are you? Thanks for having me.
I'm very good. You sound in a good mood today.
I'm just driving back for a client meeting. A client meeting.
Oh, okay. Clearly it was a success. You sound like you sealed the deal.
Yeah, it was a success.
Yeah, I can tell that. Well, it's great to have you. I know you're a busy man, but as we run through this credit report, should people be worried if they've got a couple of months where they didn't pay off their credit card? I mean, what is it really going to mean for people?
See, I'll tell you, AECB report barely means that whatever borrowings you have within the country, they all are reflected in one report, and it shows your repayment ability and are you paying them on time. So that's the core objective of having a credit report, and it helps to any lender in deciding whether they should lend to this client either on a credit card, personal loan, auto loan, or a trade and working capital facility.
So is there a score you get? Is there a credit score?
Yes, there is a credit score which is generated. Generally, a score between, you could say 700 to 900 is a good score.
Okay.
Anything lower than that shows that there have been delays either in repaying their utilities or monthly installments, or there have been check returns by the individual.
I understand. So this will be a problem. So if you go to the bank and you want a loan to buy a new car, if they assess that your score is only 650, does that mean you're not going to get the loan, or does it mean they won't give you as much money?
It's a bank's discretion. They will look at the justification given by the client. There is no score where a bank says, sorry, we will not lend to him, but they would want to understand, was there a delay in his payment? What was the reason? At times people are traveling, they forget it, or their staff could make a mistake in doing a payment.
I understand. Is there a possibility that some banks, in their discretion, when just say you want to get 50,000 dirhams for a car, could they change the interest rate, or could they ask for a larger deposit?
The pricing could change, but not on retail products. It could change on corporate products.
Okay. And is there anywhere to find out what your credit score is?
There is an app which is there by the name AECB app, Al Etihad Credit Report, that can be downloaded, and each individual can pull out their own report and check.
Okay, so that's the best thing to do. So the AECB, that's the Al Etihad Credit Bureau. They've got the app. You can download that, and if you know it's been a while since you've paid off your credit card, just be cautious. But does the score? How long does your score remain? Say you're at 550 or 600. If you have a good repayment over 12 months, does your score increase?
Yes. Every month, they generate their internal reports on your repayment ability, and the score changes.
Right, so it basically looks at I'm guessing your credit card, your rent and utility payments, and any sort of loans that you may have had.
Plus, if you have any check returns, or right now there is a new update that even if there are legal cases going against anyone, they could be added in the AECB bureau. So they are trying to club it with that, so the bank who's lending has a clear picture about the borrower on the first day.
Okay, I understand. Now, this is going to be used obviously by, not just banks that are lending you money, but could it also be used by DWA or phone companies as well?
I don't think, because they are giving a service where they are charging a fee monthly. They are not lending, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So I don't think they would view the report.
Okay, so therefore, Amit, if I was to download the app from the AECB and put in your name, 900 would come up?
No. See, every individual has their own Emirates ID and their own UAE pass. So by that only you can log in and generate the report.
Okay, I understand. I'm only joking.
Yeah.
I'm only joking. Amit Nainai,
No problem.
thank you very much for joining us. It's always good to hear your experience and get your insight in these matters.
Thank you, Kish. Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much. There's Amit Nainai. He is from Lion Mortgage Consultants, and that is the idea of this credit report. If you want to find out what yours is, the app is AECB. That is the Al Etihad Credit Bureau, and you can find out what your score is. It ranges from 300 to 900. If you drop below 700, it may cause a bit of a problem. No one will really reject you if you want to get a loan. But all those tips are really simple about paying off your credit card during the interest-free period. Don't raise your credit limit. Make your rent and utility payments count. And as we said, that the app again is AECB. You're on TSB, Talk Sport Business on Talk 100.3. If you do want to join the conversation, we'd love to hear from you. It's 0586 861003 or toll free 800 1003.